Hello everyone. My name is A-Level Maths Tutor UK, and this video is specifically designed for GCSE students who are thinking about potentially doing A-Level Maths in the next academic year. And this video is a set of 4 reasons why I think you should not choose A-Level Maths. So there are definitely reasons why you should choose A-Level Maths, and I'll do a video on that probably tomorrow. But these are the reasons why you should not choose A-Level Maths. These are 4 reasons that I think are really important reasons I don't think you should use to choose A-level maths. So the first one is because it looks good on your CV. So I hear from a lot of students and actually a lot of parents as well, mainly. Oh, I want my child to do A-level maths because it really looks good on their CV. Yeah, A-level maths is a good A-level, but so is A-level physics, so is A-level chemistry, so is A-level economics, physics. Yeah, I just said physics, didn't I? Chemistry, biology, philosophy, psychology. There's lots of good A-levels that you can have on your CV. Yeah, maths is one of those, but that's not a reason to choose A-level maths just because it looks good on your CV. There's no point in doing a subject that you really hate. Just because it looks good on your CV. You may as well do a subject that you enjoy that looks good on your CV. So let's say you enjoy biology much more than maths, then do A-level biology instead of maths if you have to make that choice. Don't do it just because it looks good on your CV. Lots of A-levels look good on your CV, so that's not really. This is not really a legitimate reason why you should be choosing A-level maths, in my opinion. The second reason is because you were good at GCSE maths, you think it will be easy. A lot of students think, oh, well, I'm pretty good at GCSE maths, so A-level maths is going to be the same. It's going to be pretty easy. Not really, no. I mean, it's harder, obviously, it's going to be harder. You will be challenged. There are hard questions that you'll be doing. You'll be stretched beyond what you've done at GCSE. So, no, it won't be easy. There are some very bright students who do find most of the topics you study in A level maths easy. But the questions you get in your exam, I mean, there are not easy questions in those exam papers. They're not easy, even for me, who's got a maths degree, I've graduated, I've studied this subject for nearly 20 years. They're not easy questions. So if you did find GCSE maths easy, don't think, oh well, I'm going to find A level maths easy. It's not necessarily true. You may find the concepts easy to grasp, but yeah, the questions that you get will not be easy in the exam. I can guarantee you that, even if you are a bright student, you will be challenged somewhere in that exam paper. So don't think that and don't use that as a reason to choose A-level maths. The third reason, because you got grade 6 in GCSE maths, so you think you're good enough. So I see a lot of students who tell me, well, to get into sixth form to A-level maths, they need to get grade 6. So they're thinking, well, if I get grade 6, that means I'm good enough to do A-level maths. So a lot of schools do say this, but to be honest with you, I don't think you're good enough if you get grade 6. I really don't think grade 6 is good enough. I don't think you are. I think you're going to struggle. I think you're going to struggle with it. I think, I did say a minute ago, some students may find that the concepts in A-level maths easy if you did got like a grade 9, for example. But for grade 6, grade 7 students, they don't find A-level maths easy. It's a very hard subject for them, and they don't do very well initially at least, because it is a bit of a culture shock. So no, I don't personally think grade 6 is good enough. And if you do get grade 6 and do A-level maths, you're going to be working very, very hard. It's going to be very stressful for you. So do be aware that I don't personally think grade 6 is good enough, in my opinion. So that's my third point. And then my final point, because you might need it for a career that you potentially may want to do. So, most of you watching this will be, doing your GCSE, so you're not very old. So, you're not going to be 100% sure what career you're going to want to do. So, you may be thinking to yourself, well, I want to, be a engineer or something like that. So, I'm going to definitely need A-level maths. And if you want to be, go into engineering or, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, then obviously you will definitely need A-level maths. But if you're not really 100% sure what career you want to do and you didn't really like GCSE maths, then I would say you probably shouldn't choose A-level maths, because if you didn't like GCSE maths and you're not too sure what career you may want to do, then you certainly won't want to be doing engineering. You certainly won't want to be doing engineering, computer science, physics. because if you do want to do those careers, you do need very advanced maths. So if you don't like GCSE maths, you're not going to like engineering. You're not going to like IT, computer science, computing. You're not going to like it because you are going to need very advanced maths. You know, software engineering. You are going to need, you know, high level maths. And if you don't like GCSE maths, you're not going to like your career that you think you may want to do. So don't choose A level maths just because you think you need it for a career that you may think you may potentially be interested in, because the likelihood is if you're not interested in GCSE maths, if you're not liking GCSE maths, or if you haven't liked GCSE maths, then the reality is you're not going to like this potential career that you've potentially got in your potential mind, because you are going to need very advanced maths for those kind of careers. So be aware that don't be choosing it because you think you may think that you want to do a potential career. There are other better reasons to choose A-level maths, which I'll go through. So I'll go through in probably tomorrow's video. I'll do that probably in tomorrow's video. So yeah, this is just 4 reasons, in my opinion, why you should not be choosing A-level maths. But please do comment in the comment section if you have any further questions. So I'll see you guys all soon.